Recently, Hugging Face published a documentation explaining how Hugging Face provider can be used with GitHub Copilot Chat. So this is a short tutorial explaining how you can do that. So let's get started. So you need to have the latest version of VS Code for that, and I have GitHub Copilot Chat open right now. So in the drop down menu of models, you can see these are the standard models that are available through Copilot. And to enable Hugging Face provider, you need to install this extension. I've already installed it, and after install it, go to this drop down and click on manage models, and there will be an option for selecting Hugging Face provider here. Once you click here, it will ask for an API key. I've already added that, so it's not asking in my case, but you can get that API key from huggingface.co. Log into your account, go to settings. From access tokens, you can create a new access token and add that access token here, and then you will be able to see this list of models that are available. Now from here you can select any models you want to access. So for example, I've selected this two. Click OK, and they will be available for you to use in this drop down menu. So you can select this here. Now for demonstration, I have this simple script that uses request library with multi-threading to fetch multiple URLs. I'll just run it for demo. So you can see that this is working fine. Now I want to convert this to use HTTPX and async instead of multi-threading. So I'll just open this chat. I have already the main.py file is already selected here, and I just provided an instruction. Let me try again. Let me try another model. As you can see, sometimes some models they won't work. You can try other models. You just apply the changes here, and now you can see that it's using HTTPX and async request instead of multi-threading. Let's try running the code. It's giving an error. Okay, there is a redirect. There is a redirect status code, and because of that, it's failing. So let me just ask it to add that. And apply the changes, and then you can see here that it has configured this to allow redirection. Let's try again. Now you can see that it's working fine now. Yes, so this is how you can use Hugging Face providers. If you have a free account, then you will get some very basic usage. With pro account, you will get more credits to use.